Hey JT family, welcome back to the channel, just Terry B and me. We are here, my family and I are here in Delaware. Yes, we are a visiting family and we are having a celebration for Thanksgiving. So we did our prayers and we're sitting down getting ready to eat. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Be careful. Don't splash it. Put it in my hands. What the heck?
Pull it out.
Something like my family's food. I don't know.
My favorite part of Thanksgiving.
Eating?
No, the
Oh.
potato salad.
Yes.
I want rosemary. So this is good. I love our rosemary potato salad.
With mice?
Yes, please.
Like with mice?
It's good.
No, I'm good, thank you.
Okay.
With mice? With mice?
No, thank you. Thank you so much.
No, it's I love it, but I
Mami,
love
no como na kele bana.
yeah.
I realize when I'm so food for you.
Kuzi, no
Because
como
I
na
ate my family's
singenza.
food growing up. So when I go around people when their food is nasty, I be
Yeah,
like, I'm not eating it. I'm like, I don't know what you're talking about. They're like, this is delicious.
Pull it
No.
out. No.
I gotta pull it out.
Put your finger. Here's your ice.
It's so good.
Right?
It's,
What
it,
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 it gets frozen to the thing.
Yeah.
Thank
That's
you.
the wrong kind of scoop then.
Oh my god.
Like, I never eat food from work.
So glad to be here.
No, right?
I just love this potato salad.
Nothing like my family.
You know I'm gonna have to take a nap before we leave, right?
Oh, you know we all gonna have to take a nap before we leave. I'm not tired of
They playing?
Oh, Aaron, you got it. Aaron, yeah.
they want one, they gonna say no.
I didn't realize it. I guess I knew.
Yeah, because they're the only twins we have. Right there.
Not necessarily. Well, you don't know. The other ones.
I think.
What other twins y'all got? Besides the ones that you haven't passed. There was some twins, right?
You
On
have
your
two twins that
mom's
died?
side?
Oh,
My grandmother.
grandmother's
Yeah,
twin
she got
died.
twins.
Her name was Aura. No, Leon and Leona.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I'm talking about.
Right.
I always thought it was odd that nobody else had twins. You know what I'm saying? Seemed like it would show up somewhere. I'm always holding out for Nigel.
They got twins. Stupid.
They holding out for you to say want you to have
I know, but we need one more. Like, one is
Why
not
would we need
enough.
one more for
They
me?
want you to have a food.
Well, you have them.
Because one is not enough. You know what I'm saying?
One child not enough, you say?
No, one set of twins isn't enough.
See, you want another one?
It's
That's what you
one
say? You about to have
Yeah, she gonna do it. When she gonna marry herself a doctor? Or a
one. I be
lawyer.
trying, that's what I'm praying for.
Waiting for her to
I've
need a
been
doctor.
praying.
Or I want, she gonna get herself a nice doctor without borders, and they gonna have some twins.
Why the heck would I want to be with? Never mind.
no,
You know
I
you're
thought,
making
I
sense.
thought
They
it
don't
was just
even
me.
live
just
there.
Sorry,
praying
you
for
can
that.
I be thinking about it, working on it. Man, if the world opened up, I would have her at somebody's state ball, looking like something attractive, some type of blister.
Stop talking to my brother.
Oh, you are on the stool. I thought you were standing up.
I wouldn't mind getting me one too.
Oh, they're short.
I'm surprised you ain't doing. Oh, you are doing it.
Why? Is the food so good?
That's how we do it.
No. It's abnormal. Everything on my plate tastes good.
What happened to the chair?
That doesn't normally work like
What
that.
happened to it?
I don't know. They
Woo!
get faded.
Probably from the sun.
Like something wet was sitting on it.
I literally have like 20 things on my plate and they all taste delicious.
You have what on your plate?
Like 20 things on my plate and they all taste delicious.
They all taste special.
Ooh, I
Who
need
made
to
the crab stuffing?
Mecca.
Yeah, my
Good.
Whatever.
A lot of crabs in it.
Crab meat, not crabs.
Mecca heavy-handed.
Very.
I don't know why you said it was Mecca and Niger making it. I was just pouring.
Oh, she was telling you when to stop?
Yes.
Oh, you a part? You helped make this?
But you were dancing while you were pouring.
So?
Didn't I?
I was like, let me know when you
I
want me
said,
to stop.
let me give me some. I can't drink that.
He said, I can't drink that.
You can't? Is it too strong?
Nothing strong.
I added some soda to it.
You know what? That's funny. Nigel did it.
It's good with the soda.
Oh, we're supposed to put more Sprite
Yes,
in
because
there.
they said Tasia put 5 cans of Sprite in it. She put 2 in.
First of all, they said Tasia put 5 cans of Sprite in it. Picture was over half full and they had not put any liquor in it. So I grabbed 2 and was like, y'all missing stuff. What are you talking about?
You know what? I want some whiteys.
What's white?
Fish? There's a
I need a knife.
ladybug behind you.
That's grandma. Whenever we see a ladybug in here, we always say that's grandma. So she's sitting with me.
Oh, that's so nice.
Mecca. It's a ladybug on my chair.
Oh. That's good luck.
You know what? I've been killing ladybugs in my room.
Kill the ladybug.
There's like 15 of them. Like one flew into my eyeball while I was trying to get dressed for work.
In your eyeball.
It was funny.
It wasn't funny. So then I went outside. I was like, she makes me so mad. I went outside, and like where I'm staying is pitch black, right? But there's a lot of deer. So I went to my car, like on my way to the
You like
shift,
your food?
and all I hear is stuff like things moving in the dark. I can't see it. And I shine my light, and all I saw was eyeballs. And then I'm telling Tasia the story, and she was like, "Oh, who eyeballs were those?"
First came in.
What the hell? So they ladybug eyes, stupid.
She had just been talking about the ladybug.
So?
It might have finished. Carry on with conversation.
Does that make any sense?
I'm imagining the
Next time,
ladybug.
What kind of big ladybug?
next time I hope they come over and introduce themselves.
It's like the deer. Like there's a lot of deer.
Are you afraid of those too?
I don't want to get run over by a deer. Cause they be running.
Oh, okay.
I seen this girl that was afraid of squirrels, so she was running into an Uber screaming, like, "Are there any squirrels out here?" Like, I thought my fear was crazy, but that was crazy.
What you scared of?
Worms. So you don't
It's
see
not
them
like worms
there.
gonna come out.
No.
No, not it. Yeah, I don't
I
know.
don't like bugs. Everybody know I don't like bugs though. So it's,
No, it's not the bugs. It's the birds. Right?
Is it?
Birds?
I don't want to get crapped on.
That's good luck.
No, I'm not getting crapped. I don't care how you feel about it.
I don't care how you.
I'm not getting crapped on about it.
comments over here.
Ooh, right?
Everybody getting food, but it's still
Oh,
more.
hot sauce.
Everybody
Oh,
getting
almost
food, but
done,
it's still
yeah.
more room for you. Like,
Thank you.
Did everybody eat?
Don't even
Probably
feel
not.
food.
I have to give Sunday his bone with gravy.
Oh yeah, it's in your car, right?
Mm-hmm.
After I'm gonna go get it. Should I give him like everything?
I'll get it for
Oh,
him.
yeah? They're good.
I did.
Oh, you ate them?
How's Dion? Fine. Okay, I just ain't talking to him a little bit. He called me when I was at work.
He took us to the airport yesterday.
Huh?
He took us to the airport yesterday.
Oh, okay. Just want to make sure he was okay. How's Xavier?
Same Xavier?
Candy beats it different, huh?
Huh?
Might be.
He
I
come
love
home?
the beauty.
I don't know. We don't know yet.
No.
You find out on the 13th.
I'm praying that neither one of them come back.
Oh, Dion went back home?
Be talking about it.
So next we're gonna all take a nap and then get up and eat again.
Yeah, I think I'm
That's
ready
how
to
it
admit defeat.
Right.
I'm full, but I don't want to write touch my
Girl.
plate.
I need some more potato salad. It's like so good. It's like
It's right here. It's right here.
Hey, that's what I was about to
It's
say.
right
I know I want some more.
It's right here.
Like, you know how you know you want some more already?
Right
You
here.
I was in mother mode, like, eat what you have.
My mama ain't here today. This is the first Thanksgiving. She ain't been here.
She probably.
He's strong, isn't he?
She was dancing.
What that got to do with anything? I said, let me know when you
You was
when you
dancing.
That has nothing to do with
You wasn't
nothing.
paying attention how much you're pouring.
She
I
was
wasn't-
dancing.
I was just the tool.
It was just the tool
You could have stopped.
that poured the liquor.
I said, let me know when you want me to
That
stop.
made it pink.
The tool malfunction.
That intoxicated the people.
That was
All
not
right.
my business. I wasn't making the drink. I was just pouring the stuff.
I was not making a drink. I was just pouring it.
Well, guys, that's it. I'm done eating. Thank you for
Oh my
watching.
God.
They were here with us.
Yes, they were here with us all the time. Remember to share, like, comment, and subscribe. And remember to always, always live life each day as though it were your last. Bye. Peace.